Hi and welcome to another one of my videos. Today is gonna be a little days in my life vlog. It's been a while since I've done like a days in my life vlog, so I thought it would be fun. So far today I've just done a lot of video editing. That's been going very well. In a little bit I'm gonna head out because I'm meeting my friend Vic for a coffee and a little bit of shopping near Brickell City Centre. I need some things from Sephora and she does as well, so that's very nice. So we're gonna go together and I'm sure that's gonna be a lot of fun. And I'm gonna be taking you with me. So yeah, for now, let's do some more editing though. So I did some good editing and now it's about time to go. I'm actually running a little bit late because I had an outfit in my head, and you know when you have an outfit in your head and it's so cute and then you put it on and it's just not what you imagined it to be? I had that. So I just threw on some jean shorts. And this is gonna have to do. Helaas pindakaas, we would say in Dutch. I'm just gonna bring my bag. Everything I need is in here, so that's great. Let's go and meet Vic. Sponsorship.
Ja, echt absoluut. Ik zou er zo nog een keer $8 voor betalen.
Hi! guys, so I just got home. It was so much fun. We went to Sephora. I was very, very successful. And afterwards we went to Sugar, which I had never been before, but it was really, really nice. It had this rooftop bar and it was stunning. It was so beautiful. And apparently you can get like a fresh coconut there, which I was so excited for, but unfortunately they ran out. So we just got like a Coke instead. So I got a Diet Coke and it was still super, super good. I was really in the mood for Diet Coke, so it was super nice. But yeah, we just hung out there. It was lovely. As I said, it was a rooftop bar, so the views were great. But now we're back home. It's 5, so I still need to do some editing today, and then it's the weekend, so that's super nice. But I thought it would be fun to show you what I got at Sephora. I just got 3 little things. I got this Tower 28 concealer. I love this. I use it for my under eyes and it's great. Then I got a new concealer to try. It's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I wanted this as a replacement for my MAC like cream pot concealer that I had for years and years and years. I've been rebuying that thing forever. I think, no joke, for like at least 10 years. That's crazy. Anyway, but now it's out of the assortment, so that's sad for me. So I was looking for a replacement, so I got this one. We tried a couple, and luckily Vic is very, very good with like makeup. She had a great eye as well. So we got this concealer because it's super, super high coverage, and that's what I wanted, because I wanted this for like spot correction. And then last but not least, I got a skincare item that Vic actually recommended me because my like BHA serum is gone, done and dusted. She recommended these Dr. Dennis Gross Universal Daily Peel little wipes, which are apparently very good, and I trust her with skincare because her skin is great. So I'm very excited to try these. So this is my little Sephora haul. I'm very excited about it. And now I'm home. So the plan for now is to do a little bit more editing and then just chill out for the night when Nick comes home. It was a really fun day. Good morning, it's Sunday. Yesterday I didn't do a lot after eating the acai bowl because I got a horrible headache, so I just really took it easy and I was just chilling at home, which was also very nice. Today it's Sunday and today we're gonna go to the beach, which is very exciting. Some of our friends are gonna come pick us up and they're also bringing their little dogs, so that's very, very nice. And we're gonna go to a dog-friendly beach and just hang out, maybe take a dip in the ocean, just enjoy the Miami beaches. So that's gonna be very nice. It's gonna be a beach that we haven't been to before, so that's also gonna be fun. It is super, super cloudy though. Oh no! We'll see how it goes. But knowing Miami, it's still gonna be nice enough weather to just hang out, so we'll see. We bought a bunch of snacks, so we have some fresh fruit, veggies, some trail mix. We bought some of those liquid death iced teas / iced lemonades. They're super, super good. So delicious. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see our friends. I'm excited to see their little pup. He's so cute. He's called Theo. I'm sure we're gonna have a great time. So let's go. While we were on our way to the beach, it started raining, and when we arrived at Hollywood Dog Beach, it was raining super, super hard, so we decided to wait it out, and it lasted about 10 minutes before it was fine. So that was great. And We tried to set up a tent on the beach, but we had some struggles because it turned out the tent was a little bit broken, so we were struggling a bit, but it did still work out because at one point it started raining again and we could kind of go in the tent for some shelter, which was great.
Beautiful.
After that, it completely cleared up and it turned into a really lovely beach afternoon. So we even saw some sun and it was dry and it was of course nice temperatures. The water was also absolutely lovely. We had a really great time just hanging out with our friends, seeing all the dogs playing and stuff like that. So that was a really nice afternoon.
Hello.
Just came home. I think we did the timing very well because as we were leaving it started raining a little bit again. We already saw the clouds, so that was one of the reasons we started packing up. But I think we had great timing, so we made it home all dry and now I'm gonna hop in the shower and this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, having a little look into my life and this weekend specifically. If you did like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really does help me out and it means a lot to me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!